Hi, this is Patrick Belleux for WebcamStudio. Tonight I'm going to show you what will come in the new release of 0.57 Beta 2. I've been working lately a lot on a bug that I was kind of hunting down. It was really hard actually to figure out, but seems to be related to the new Unity desktop in Ubuntu 11.04. Or at least to the compiz component of the desktop. So what I did here actually is I created a desktop without any special effects from the graphic card, so to make sure that no conflict would occur. So here's a quick tour of WebcamStudio. So what you're seeing now is the new interface of WebcamStudio 0.57 that will be eventually Beta 3. Here we have a small viewer that is actually showing the output of WebcamStudio from the virtual device. And as you can see, you still have the browser as usual with all the sources you have in there. And the layout list has been modified. Instead of having a list that was in the middle, now it's a combo box containing all those layouts and giving you a preview of the layout currently running. And you still have the source list here, and at the bottom you will see the controls. So let's start. When you start WebcamStudio, it will create a default layout. You can add another one, so no more right-clicking on the layout to get the pop-up menu. Now it's just simple buttons here. It makes it a lot easier. So I can add a new layout, and here I have a new layout. I'm gonna have to put that name a little bit brighter because we don't see it that much. So here I have a button called Properties. You click on that and you can recognize the event configuration for the duration. The next layout, I want that layout to jump if there's a duration here. The hotkey configuration, that's one that is different. So basically what you do is you insert the key that you want to have for that layout. So I'm going to call it W for webcams, and I'm going to call that layout webcams. So that's one layout. I have my default, so I'm going to click on properties. I'm going to leave it at default, and I'm going to give it a D for default layout. And I'm going to create another layout, and you can see now I have 3 layouts. And if I go to the new layout and click properties, this one I'm going to call it animation. And it's going to be an A for the hotkey. So here we are. There's no H in there. I have 3 layouts. So let's go to the webcam layout, and I'm gonna add a webcam in here. So what do I have? I'm gonna pick this one. So that webcam, I want it to fade in. When I'm gonna get out, I want it to fade out. The size, I'm gonna leave it at full screen. I'm gonna just make WebcamStudio a little bit bigger. Darn, that new desktop manager makes things a lot harder to pick up. Anyway, so that's the layout containing the webcam. And then we're gonna go to the one containing the animation. So let's pick my favorite here. And as you can see, since this is an animation, we see it's not currently running, so there's nothing to see, but there's a rectangle here showing you where that animation is showing up. So let's put it a little smaller so you will be able to see. So you see that the animation is going to be here, even though it's not currently running. So let's put that back at 320. And I have my default layout. What I'm gonna put in there? Daily news from the New York City. The New York Daily News, sorry. Should show up. Oh, there we have The news of the day is Steve Jobs. I wonder why. So that's the default. We have that one and the webcam and the animation. So what I need to do is to at least give the focus on the layout list, so the hotkeys will work. So if I click on the letter A, animation will load up. If I click on the letter W that I've assigned to the webcams, then my webcam is running. Hey, that's me. So this is how WebcamStudio works. So if we want to go back to the news, that's the default. Press D, and we're back to the news. And since this is news, let's say we have fun with it and we're going to do a shrink in and a shrink out on that source. Let's go back to the webcam. Oops, I need to click here. Webcam. And there I am, and go back to the animation. And that's the new hotkeys in WebcamStudio. So you have the button here to activate that layout. Let's say I want that one. Instead of using the hotkeys, then I can simply manually activate this one. This is to remove the current selected layout. This is to add a new one. And each time you just need to select the layout you want to work with, and you have a bunch of things you can do. So that new interface is gonna make things a lot easier also eventually to integrate new events for layouts. Currently I only have the hotkey and the duration. Oh yeah, almost forgot about that. Let's go back. Animation. Let's pick a movie. So we're gonna say, I'm gonna call this movie. And that, someone asked me on that feature. I don't remember who it was or where I saw his request. But anyway, thanks. It was really a great idea. So this is your idea actually that I did. I have a movie. So what I'm gonna do is do I have a movie available? Darn, I don't have any movies. Okay, let's go in source, add a movie, and then I'm gonna go here. Oh, I was already in video. And I'm gonna pick something that I won't get sued for. Oh, darn. Okay, let's pick here, Shakespeare play, Othello. If you've never saw that movie, that's a great movie. So this is my layout for the movie. So what I'm gonna do is, since I'm capturing the desktop, I'm gonna make it a little bit easier. And here it's full screen. And what I have here now is the seek. So when entering that layout, I want that movie to start let's say at 58 seconds or something like that. So if I leave it to 0, you're gonna see that movie will start at the beginning, because that's why I ask. That's what I ask. I ask start at the 0 second of the movie. So it's playing and whatever. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna say, okay, let's start at 90 seconds. So just reactivate to restart everything, and this time the movie will start at 90 seconds, and I can put that at 900 seconds like that and reactivate. See, it's a little further in the movie. So now you can say that when I start that layout, it's gonna start where I want it to start. So thank you for the great idea, guy. I don't remember, but it was worth it. Basically that's the new features of WebcamStudio. I've been working on a lot of bugs. A lot of them have been fixed. There's one I just can't get my head around it. There's a problem with a desktop using Compiz for the special effects. I don't know if it's my video card. I don't know if it's a problem between Java and the X server and with the Compiz enable. I know it plays around there, but all I know is eventually on my laptop, and it seems to happen to some other people, but not that much, that the CPU will rise like hell. It's going to be 100%. Everything's going to be slowing down, and you will have trouble getting things to work. A few tips about that: keep your frame rate low, your output size maybe lower because your laptop cannot, or desktop, whatever, cannot cope with the demand of doing real-time video mixing. What I found out also, the smaller the video that you play, I mean the size of the video, the resolution, that's what I meant, the better it will be. And if you're really having trouble with that, as I have on my laptop, just create a new account that's going to be done. That's going to be created for broadcasting with WebcamStudio, where you have no bells and whistles activated, just to make sure that everything will run smooth. But until then, until I find a solution to this issue, that's all I can do for now. It seems to be really at a low level. I thought at first it was the GStreamer library, then I thought it was my code doing something wrong, and I just don't know. I just know that it's related to the special effects of the new desktops we have in Ubuntu. So just disable Compiz or create a simple, just a simple desktop that won't have any special effects. Should work. So thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. I'm gonna try to release 0.57 beta 3 really soon. Just want to make sure that I didn't forget anything, because I've been doing so many tests and crazy things that I just hope I didn't forget something. So, but I think we're really near a new release. So until then, keep watching the news, and see you next time. And now I have to stop my video capture, which is done by GStreamer. If I can find my console, and there it is, I'm gonna stop it. Thank you. Bye.